Ever wonder how your meal prep habits measure up to the rest of the world? Now that's a question to ponder, isn't it? In today's fast-paced world, meal preparation, or as it's more commonly known, meal prep, has transformed from a mundane chore into a lifestyle choice. It's the secret weapon of busy people everywhere, from working professionals to fitness enthusiasts, and even parents on the go. But what makes meal prep such a game changer? Well, imagine having a week's worth of meals, all planned out and prepared ahead of time. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? No more last-minute scrambles to put together a meal, no more settling for unhealthy takeout options because you're short on time. Meal prep ensures you have nutritious home-cooked meals ready to go whenever you need them. But the benefits of meal prep extend beyond just convenience. It's also a powerful tool to support healthier eating habits. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you're in control. You decide what goes into your meals, allowing you to make healthier choices and portion sizes. You can design your meals to suit your dietary needs and preferences, whether you're vegetarian, following a low-carb diet, or simply trying to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Moreover, meal prep can significantly reduce food waste. By buying and cooking exactly what you need, you're not only saving money, but also doing your part for the environment. It's a win-win situation. In the midst of our busy lives, meal prep can be a real lifesaver. It saves time, reduces stress, promotes healthier eating, and even helps protect our planet. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of what to cook for dinner after a long day, or if you're simply looking to make healthier food choices, then meal prep might just be the solution you've been looking for. So, are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen habits? Stay tuned because today you'll learn how to meal prep like a pro for a healthier week. Meal prep isn't just about being organized, it's about living a healthier lifestyle. Now, we're going to delve into the wonderful world of meal prep and explore its many benefits. First and foremost, meal prep is an effective way to control portions. You know exactly what's going into your meals and how much. You can tailor your portions to your dietary needs, whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're consuming the right amount of nutrients without overeating. Secondly, meal prep can help save you a significant amount of money. Eating out or ordering takeout can quickly add up. With meal prep, you buy in bulk, cook in bulk, and save in bulk. You're not just saving money, you're investing in your health. Next, let's talk about reducing waste. Food waste is a huge global issue. By planning and prepping your meals, you'll use up the ingredients you have before they spoil. No more forgotten veggies rotting in the back of your fridge. It's a small but significant step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Finally, meal prep aids in maintaining a balanced diet. It's all too easy to grab a bag of chips or order a pizza when you're hungry and don't have anything prepared. But with a fridge full of delicious, ready-to-eat meals, you're more likely to stick to your healthy eating plan. You're setting yourself up for success. But that's not all. The benefits of meal prep extend beyond health and finance. It saves time, reduces stress, and allows for more variety in your diet. You can experiment with new recipes, try different cuisines, and never get bored of your meals. Clearly, meal prep can have a big impact on your health and your wallet. So why not give it a try? In the next segment, we'll guide you through the basics of meal prep to get you started on your journey to a healthier, more organized lifestyle. Ready to get started? First, let's go over some meal prep basics. Meal prepping is like building a house. You need the right tools to get the job done. The essentials in your meal prep toolbox should be a set of durable containers, a sturdy cutting board, and a reliable knife. Containers are your building blocks. Opt for glass or BPA-free plastic containers that come in various sizes. They make portion control a breeze and also keep your meals fresh and ready to go. Next up, the cutting board. This is your workspace, your canvas. A good-sized cutting board made of bamboo or wood can make your prep work much more comfortable. It provides ample space to chop, dice, and slice all those fresh veggies and fruits you'll be using. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of meal prep, The knife. A sharp, reliable chef's knife can make the difference between a chore and a joy. It's worth investing in a high-quality knife that feels comfortable in your hand and can tackle anything from a tough butternut squash to a delicate tomato. Now that we've covered the tools, let's move on to the strategy. Planning is a critical part of meal prepping. Before you even step foot in the grocery store, take some time to plan out your meals for the week. Consider your schedule, your dietary needs and preferences, and make a list of all the ingredients you'll need. Shopping with a list not only helps you stay on track, but it also saves you time and money. It prevents you from wandering aimlessly through the aisles, picking up items you don't need, and forgetting the ones you do. Remember, meal prep is not about creating gourmet meals every day. It's about making healthy, convenient food choices that align with your lifestyle. So don't be afraid to keep things simple and stick to foods you know and love. With these basics in mind, you're ready to start meal prepping. Now it's time for action. Here's a step-by-step guide to meal prep. Let's start at the very beginning, a very good place to start. And in meal prep, that's planning your meals. So, step 1 is to plan your meals for the week. This is a crucial step because having a plan in place will save you both time and stress. So, think about what you want to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and any snacks in between. Consider your nutritional needs, dietary restrictions, and personal preferences. And remember, variety is the spice of life, so don't be afraid to mix up your meals. Try to include a variety of proteins, carbohydrates, and colorful fruits and veggies. Once you have your meal plan, it's time for step 2, shopping for ingredients. Make a shopping list based on your meal plan. This will help you stay focused, save money, and avoid impulse buys. As you shop, try to stick to the perimeter of the grocery store, where you'll find the freshest and healthiest ingredients. And don't forget to check the labels. Look for whole, unprocessed foods and avoid anything with a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce. Now that you've got your ingredients, it's time for the fun part. Step 3, preparing your meals. This is where you'll do the bulk of your cooking. Start by washing and chopping your fruits and vegetables. Then, move on to cooking your proteins and carbohydrates. To save time, try batch cooking. This involves making large quantities of food at once, which you can divide into portions for the week. And remember, the goal is to make healthy, delicious meals, so don't skimp on the flavor. Use herbs, spices, and healthy sauces to make your meals tasty and satisfying. Once your meals are prepared, it's time for step 4, portioning your meals. This is where you'll divide your food into individual servings. Having your meals portioned out in advance will help you control your portion sizes and prevent overeating. So, get out your containers and start dividing up your food. Try to include a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables in each meal. And if you're counting calories or macros, this is the time to weigh and measure your food. The final step is storing your meals. Proper storage is essential to keeping your meals fresh and safe to eat. So, make sure your containers are airtight and suitable for the fridge or freezer. And don't forget to label your containers with the date. This will help you keep track of when each meal was prepared so you can eat them while they're still fresh. Most meals will last 3 to 5 days in the fridge and up to 3 months in the freezer. Just make sure to thaw your meals in the fridge overnight before reheating. And there you have it, a week's worth of meals prepared in advance. So, whether you're a busy professional, a health enthusiast, or just someone looking to make life a little easier, meal prep is a simple and effective way to ensure you always have healthy, delicious meals on hand. Remember, the key to successful meal prep is planning. So take the time to plan your meals, shop for quality ingredients, prepare your meals, portion them out, and store them properly. And most importantly, have fun with it. Happy meal prepping. Need some inspiration? Here are some delicious and nutritious recipe ideas. Let's start with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. An easy make-ahead breakfast idea is overnight oats. Combine rolled oats with your choice of milk and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Then let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds. This meal is packed with fiber from the oats and healthy fats from the toppings. It's a great way to kickstart your morning and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. Another tasty breakfast option is a protein-packed smoothie. Blend together a banana, a handful of spinach, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and a cup of almond milk. It's a quick and convenient breakfast that you can sip on the go. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals from the spinach and banana, and protein to help repair and build muscles. Moving on to lunch, why not try a classic chicken salad? Start with some grilled chicken breast, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado. For the dressing, whisk together some olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and honey. This salad is a great source of lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the avocado and olive oil, and an array of vitamins and minerals from the greens and veggies. It's a colorful, satisfying, and nutrient-dense lunch option. For a vegetarian-friendly lunch, you could prepare a quinoa salad. Cook some quinoa, then mix it with roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and sweet potato. Add a handful of chickpeas for some extra protein and finish it off with a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, and iron. Combined with the veggies and chickpeas, this salad is a hearty, balanced meal that's perfect for lunch. As we move into the evening, let's talk about dinner. One idea is a simple, flavorful salmon fillet with a side of steamed veggies and brown rice. Season the salmon with lemon juice, garlic, and herbs, then bake it in the oven. Salmon is an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. The veggies provide vitamins and fiber, while the brown rice offers complex carbs for slow-release energy. If you prefer a plant-based dinner, how about a lentil curry? Sauté some onions, garlic, and ginger, then add spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Stir in lentils and vegetable broth, then let it simmer until the lentils are tender. Serve it with a side of whole grain naan or brown rice. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and they're also rich in iron and folate. This curry is warming, comforting, and full of health-promoting spices. Finally, let's not forget about snacks. A handful of almonds or walnuts makes a great mid-morning or afternoon snack. They're full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and they can help keep hunger at bay between meals. Alternatively, you could prepare some veggie sticks with hummus or Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey. These snacks are all nutritious, satisfying, and easy to prepare ahead of time. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Feel free to get creative and adapt these recipes to suit your tastes and dietary needs. The key is to choose foods that are rich in nutrients and that you genuinely enjoy. After all, eating healthy doesn't have to mean eating boring. Remember, the best meal prep recipes are the ones you'll actually enjoy eating. Meal prep can be a game changer, but it's easy to make mistakes. Here's how to avoid them. First up, let's tackle the issue of not planning meals in advance. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Make a list of what you will eat throughout the week. Consider your schedule, your dietary needs, and your taste preferences. Once you have a plan, stick to it. This will save you time, reduce waste, and help you maintain a balanced diet. Next, let's discuss portion sizes. It's easy to overestimate or underestimate how much you should be eating. A common mistake is preparing too much food, leading to waste, or too little, leaving you hungry. To avoid this, use measuring cups or a food scale to ensure you're getting the right amount. And remember, your eyes can deceive you. A plate full of vegetables looks a lot bigger than a plate full of pasta, but the calorie count tells a different story. Now, on to storage. This is where many meal preppers stumble. Not all containers are created equal. Some materials may leach harmful chemicals into your food. Others might not be airtight, leading to spoilage. To avoid this, invest in quality, food-safe containers. Glass is a great choice because it's durable, non-reactive, and dishwasher safe. Also, don't forget to store your meals in the right part of the fridge. The middle shelves usually offer the most stable temperature. Another common mistake is not varying your meals. Eating the same thing every day can lead to nutrient deficiencies and food fatigue, so mix it up. Try new recipes. Experiment with different grains, proteins, and vegetables. Finally, don't forget to give yourself a break. You don't have to prep every single meal. It's okay to leave some room for spontaneity. Maybe you want to try that new restaurant, or perhaps you're just not in the mood for what you've prepped. That's okay. The goal is to make life easier, not to chain yourself to a rigid regimen. Avoid these common pitfalls, and your meal prep game will be strong. Meal prep might seem like a challenge, but it's a challenge worth taking. As we wrap up this video, let's revisit some of the key points we've discussed. We kick things off by exploring the numerous benefits of meal prepping. It's not just about saving time and money, though those are certainly significant advantages. Meal prepping also empowers you to make healthier choices and take control of your nutrition. It reduces the temptation of takeout and ensures you always have a nutritious meal at your fingertips. Then, we dove into the basics of meal prep. We discovered that a successful meal prep routine starts with a well-thought-out plan. Your plan should include a diverse range of recipes that cater to your personal dietary needs and preferences. And remember, the right kitchen tools can make all the difference, so invest in quality containers, chopping boards, and knives. Our step-by-step guide walked you through the process of meal prepping from start to finish. From choosing your recipes and shopping for ingredients to cooking your meals and storing them safely, we covered it all. We also shared some fantastic recipe ideas. Whether you're a carnivore, a vegetarian, or somewhere in between, there's a meal prep recipe out there for you. From a protein-packed chicken stir-fry to a hearty lentil curry, the possibilities are endless. Finally, we discussed some common mistakes that people often make when they start meal prepping and how to avoid them. Overcomplicating recipes, preparing too much food, and neglecting to account for variety. These are all pitfalls that can be avoided with a little foresight and planning. So, there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your own meal prep journey. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Good luck on your meal prep journey. Stay hydrated and stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching. Until next time.